Alright guys, so I just went ahead and pulled out Brian's car out of the driveway. Alright guys, so right now I was just finishing up with Brian's car, and then I have another buddy of ours coming, but Charlie just popped up to say what's up, so it's pretty cool to see him.
Hey everybody, this is your boy Erez here, taking over Daniel's camera. Today is a very special day. I sold my IKON headlights so I can get a different set that's newer with PPF and tints. So I sold my headlights to this awesome guy named Joshua, and he's gonna do a retrofitting. I'm really excited about this. I'm here, Danny. This is Joshua. That's his boy right here. And yeah, today we're doing a retrofitting of the IKON's LCI adaptive headlights on his car. What is it, 2017? Yeah. On the 2017. So this way he's gonna get the upgraded headlights. And yeah, then he already started to disassemble the bumper, the headlights, and we're gonna have to do some wirings. As you can see, there's some wirings here, clips, instruction manual. It's crazy stuff. We're gonna have to run some wires, fuses, whatever. So yeah, stay tuned. Danny, good job, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's see. Can't wait. Excited. Hey guys, so I'm here with Danny again. Danny's engineering all the wires and connectors and everything. Ran some wires from the car, from the back of the car to the front of the car. And we're over here waiting for everything to be assembled correctly. Almost done. As you can see, a bunch of things are part of the car. Yeah, stay tuned. Right now we're working on the connector. As you can see, Danny's working on it to try to remove connectors, put new connectors, new wires. Stay tuned, guys.
Alright guys, so that pretty much does it for the LED adaptive headlights. As you guys can see, everything works fine. Erez, can you turn on the headlights, please? So as you guys can see, that looks so much better. Now he came in with the halos, same ones I had on the M3, and honestly, this is the best upgrade, honestly, on any car. So again, huge facelift on this 2017 M3 competition package. As you guys can see, we just wrapped up the coating right now. So a huge shout out to Joshua for bringing out his M3, allowing me to basically tear it down from the front and then take a few components from the driver's side, the passenger side, and on the rear too, to just make the whole install possible. And honestly, I'm very happy with it. So pretty much the way it came out, I think it looks perfect. But I'm gonna have to ask the owner. What do you think?
It's game changing, bro.
It is, right?
Whole different car.
It is, and he's got a really clean setup going on, you guys. He's definitely gonna go ahead and there's more changes to come. Not just because he's gonna stop by over here, but I know he's gonna go ahead and give the bumper a nice refresh, I was discussing with him about doing a Euro bumper. He's gonna be getting a new lip along with it, so again, more stuff to come. And then he's got a nice setup with the wheels going on. I mean, look at that meaty setup right there. The way those hips just curve the wheels right there, the arch. I mean, this is a clean setup, and he is actually running a stage 2, right? Stage 2,
Stage 3.
stage 3. What do you have right now?
485 for bolt-ons.
Nice. As you guys can see, he went to SSR. Many of you guys know SSR. They do a lot of good work out there. So we're gonna be refreshing the interior also. But he's got a nice steering wheel with the electronic display, Alcantara and carbon fiber. Check out the way the interior looks. It's very clean, very nicely done. And like I said, he's gonna be coming back for a few more modifications, so stay tuned for that. Got the LCI tail lights, very nice with the nice high kick wing, the M Performance exhaust, the nice diffuser in the back. This is very nice. Erez also did Apple CarPlay. He did the Euro DCT transmission flash as well. So he's definitely walking out of here with a lot of good goodies today. So thank you, Joshua, for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you, man.
All right, thank you guys. Thank you, Erez, for taking care of the coding. So, all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys didn't like the video, let me know what I should improve on, and just subscribe if you haven't. And thank you to all the subscribers, and thank you to all the viewers. I'll see you guys next time. Later.